What actually happened in the spirit when Jesus died? Darkness did not fall that day. It gathered, not the kind that comes with nightfall, but the kind that feels aware, the kind that waits. The sky did not simply grow dim, it recoiled. The earth did not merely shake, it recognized something irreversible had just happened. Because when Jesus breathed his final breath, something far greater than death took place. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the Bible Project for more cinematic Bible stories. Most people think they know what happened when Jesus died. A cross, a cry, a body going still. But the Gospels hint at something far deeper, something cosmic, something unseen. The question is not, did Jesus die? The question is, what actually happened in the spirit realm when he did? Tonight, we step beyond the hill called Golgotha, beyond blood and wood and iron. Tonight, we follow the tremor that moved through heaven, hell, and the earth itself. This is not speculation. This is scripture told like a film. And by the end, you may never see the cross the same way again. The moment history held its breath, the sun stands overhead, then without warning it retreats. Midday turns to twilight. Light collapses in on itself. For 3 hours, the land is swallowed by an unnatural darkness. Not the peaceful hush of evening, but a thick, suffocating veil. Soldiers shift uneasily. Priests glance at the sky. Creation senses something its language cannot explain. On the cross, Jesus hangs broken, bloodied, silent. Then the silence shatters. My God, why have you forsaken me? This is not weakness. This is not despair. This is the sound of separation. For the first time in eternity, the Son stands where sinners stand, bearing not just pain but judgment. The weight of humanity's rebellion presses inward. Every lie, every betrayal, every hidden sin. And the heavens do not intervene. Not yet, the transaction no eye could see. In the visible world, it looks like execution. In the unseen world, it is a legal exchange. Scripture says the wages of sin is death. And now, death has been paid in full, not with silver, not with sacrifice animals, but with life itself. Jesus does not merely die. He yields his spirit. And in that yielding, something ancient snaps. The authority sin held over humanity is broken not by force, but by fulfillment. Justice is not bypassed. It is satisfied. The accuser has no appeal left to make. And somewhere beyond sight, a record written against mankind is torn apart line by line. The veil tears. Inside the temple, far from the cross, priests prepare for ritual. Thick incense clouds the air. Sacred silence reigns. Then, a sound like thunder without lightning. The veil woven heavy, dense, unmovable. Splits, not from bottom to top. From top to bottom, heaven reaches down. The barrier between God and man, untouched for centuries, is ripped open in a single moment. No hand pulls it. No blade cuts it. Access is granted. Not temporarily, not symbolically, forever. The earth responds. The ground convulses. Rocks split like they've been struck by an unseen hammer. Graves crack open, not metaphorically. Literally, death itself is shaken. Centurions stumble back, breath caught in their throats. This truly was the Son of God. Creation testifies when people cannot. Because creation recognizes its creator, descent into the unseen. The body of Jesus lies still, but the story does not pause. In the realm beneath the surface, where the dead are held, movement begins. Scripture speaks of a descent, not in defeat but in authority. The one who was slain enters the domain of death alive with purpose, not as a captive, but as a conqueror. Keys change hands. Dominion shifts. The power of death is stripped of its finality. What held humanity bound no longer has the right to keep them. Silence in heaven, panic in hell. Heaven watches. Angels do not intervene. They wait, because this is not a rescue mission. This is a coronation through obedience. In the unseen, forces of darkness realize too late. The cross was not a trap for Jesus. It was a trap for them. What looked like victory was the signing of their defeat. The tomb is not the end. The stone is rolled into place. Guards stand watch. To human eyes, the story seems finished, but death has already been mortally wounded. The grave is now a countdown, not a conclusion. Because when Jesus died, death lost its authority. When he rested, the universe held its breath. And when he rose, everything changed. What this means for you. The cross was not just an event to remember. It was a moment that redefined reality. You are no longer approaching God through fear, but through access. No longer marked by separation, but by reconciliation. No longer bound to the finality of death, but anchored in resurrection. The darkness did not win. It never did. It only revealed how deep the light was willing to go. If this story stirred something in you, if it reframed the cross, even slightly, consider subscribing to The Bible Project for more cinematic Bible stories that explore Scripture with depth, reverence, and wonder. Because the greatest story ever told is still unfolding.